Okay guys, welcome back. With this video, with this quick video, I will show you how to get unlimited traffic to your affiliate link and how to get unlimited sales daily to your product and how to make money from Adhitz. Okay, I will show you step by step. All you have to do is follow my step and uh, you can make money from this method guaranteed. Okay, so basically if you want to succeed with this website, with this banner advertising, you need a great banner and you need a great landing page. Don't worry, I will give you everything. You don't have to build your banner or build your landing page. I will give you everything. You can use everything for free and you can make money for free using this system. Okay, so basically how this work, like you see, I have a lot of banners here, a lot of ads. I am using Adhitz a long time for now. I am getting unlimited clicks from this website. So basically, all you have to do is use. All you have to do is you have to use a great banner, great convert banner, so you can get clicks, and then from there you need a very convert landing page. Okay, so basically the point is clear. I will show you exactly how to work with this website and how you can make money from this website. Okay, so step number one, all you have to do is visit $300daily.com and you will get this great page. Now, basically, when you join this page as an affiliate, you can click here, affiliate. You can see total paid to members is 24,000, over $24,000. Okay, and all you have to do is you can see here affiliate. So let's visit the affiliate and you will get this page. Okay, so basically all you have to do is put your name, your email, your best email, and your PayPal payment email. This is very important so you can receive the 100% commission. Okay, so for every sale you did, you will get a 100% commission. Okay, and basically when you put your details, all you have to do is click submit and you will get this page. Now this is very important. You can see this is your affiliate link and you have here two banners that you can use to promote your affiliate link using uh, using Adhitz. Okay, you can see my banners is here and I have more banners in this website. Now basically the point is basically to make your affiliate link. This is the affiliate link. In this case, this is my affiliate link, and you can see some banners here that you can use. Now, first you have to use, you have to save these banners in your computer, in your PC, so we can upload and use it later when you make, when we make the banner advertising. Okay, so basically I recommend to start with this banner. This is very convert banner and you can get unlimited clicks. Okay, so let's back to Adhitz and you can see here advertisers and buy network ads. Now basically let's get first our affiliate link. Let's set up image ads. Let's click and type here 300, and you can click show my ads everywhere. Okay, show my ads everywhere, and use image ads this size. Okay, 468 x 60. This is the size that we will use, and the reason we will use this banner. Okay, now let's click next step, and we will get this page. Okay, so what is your total budget for this campaign? I recommend to start with $10. What is your daily budget? Let's say 10. Okay, and click next step. Okay, so this is my affiliate link. Let's get it and put here. Okay, now we have already here the HTTP// so let's delete from here. Okay, and let's type here 300 or something you want. Okay, it's your choice, and let's choose the banner we need, and you can you have to choose, let's say, from tomorrow. Okay, you have to use the date from tomorrow. You can't start your banner today, so you have to wait to tomorrow. So basically I will choose the date of tomorrow and click upload. Okay, so like you see, everything is great. I have my affiliate here in the inbox, the name of my ads, and the date from tomorrow, and I have my banner here. Okay, so now all you have to do is click next step, and you will get this page. Now basically your ad campaign, this is the name of your campaign, start date from tomorrow, and the total payment is $10. Okay, now all you have to do is click here. I have read and agree to the Adhitz, and you can see you have two payment solution. You can pay with PayPal, and you can pay with Bitcoin. Okay, it's your choice. All you have to do is pay for this campaign and get unlimited real traffic to your affiliate link and get real commission daily. Now basically you will get unlimited clicks from this website. All these clicks is from PTC website. All PTC members searching for make money online. Okay, so this is the reason that you will get unlimited commission from this traffic and unlimited sales. Okay, so basically I think you get the point from this website. All you have to do is make your affiliate link. You can use this banners. You can save these banners in your PC, so you can use it to set up your campaigns. All you have to do is promote this landing page and get 100 commission for every sale. For every sale you will get $7 dot 41 cents. This is a great commission, and you can make money from this system. You can make 100 to 300, even more. Okay, if you make more campaigns you will get more sales, more campaigns, more traffic, and more sales. Easy like that. Okay, I hope you like this video. I hope you will take action. Please, if you like this method, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much for watching.